Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out with Afterpay online. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so step one is obviously visit an online store that accepts Afterpay as a payment method. And then from there, add the items you want to purchase to your shopping cart. And then click on your shopping cart to review the items you selected. Click the button to proceed to checkout. Fill in the details, so enter your shipping address and contact information. In the payment method section, look for and select Afterpay. Click to proceed with Afterpay. If you already have an Afterpay account, log in using your email and password. Or if you're new, you need to sign up. So if you're new to Afterpay, you'll need to create an account by providing your personal details and payment information. After logging in or signing up, you'll see a breakdown of your payment plan showing the amount of each installment and the due dates. Review the details and confirm that you want to use Afterpay for this purchase. Final step, once you confirm your payment plan with Afterpay, you'll be redirected back to the retailer site to complete the purchase. You should receive an order confirmation email from the retailer and a payment schedule from Afterpay. After purchase, so you can manage your Afterpay payments and view your upcoming payment schedule in the Afterpay app or website. Afterpay will send you reminders before each installment is due. You can make early payments at any time through the Afterpay app or website without penalties. By following these steps, you can easily check out of Afterpay for online purchases, allowing you to split your purchases into manageable installments.